Good morning, everybody. Aradhna Tiwari from Be the Change by Aradhna, an Access Consciousness certified facilitator, empowering and transforming coach. What else is possible? And your friend to here share the question today. Hello, Harsha. Hello, Mesh. Hello, Arpita. Good morning, everyone. How's the Saturday morning? How was your party night, Friday night, guys? Thank you, Ritu. Welcome, welcome. So, beast thanks, Umesh. Hello, Payal. Hello, Vishal. Good to see you. Ritu1111. Yes. Awesome. Hello, Shivangi. Good, good. Let everybody join in. Time and date now. Oh, wow. Wow, Ritu, that was amazing. Awesome, Vishal. Good to have you here. Who else is joining in? Okay, I'll read it meanwhile, what we are here for today. Be silent for 5 minutes. Set a timer and sit still or lay down undisturbed. If your mind wanders, it's all right. This silence will still help you to tap into your inner wisdom and play with it. Wow. I'm already sensing so much of silence while reading it. I'll read it again. Be silent for 5 minutes. Set a timer and sit still or lay down undisturbed. If your mind wanders, it's all right. This silence will still help you to tap into your inner wisdom. So, how many of you here think that you do not have inner wisdom? Here, Smita, Sahista, Surbi, welcome, welcome, welcome. So, Arpita says, today I'm not feeling good, feeling weak and insecure. Wow. Who are you feeling insecure about, Arpita? And who are you feeling for? Is it yours or is it somebody else's? Can you let that go? So what if actually you sit down with yourself for 5 minutes today and actually go inside yourself and look into yourself, that what is it that you're feeling insecure about? Would an infinite being ever feel insecure? Are you picking somebody? Are you aware of the people around you? And I was giving this home play on my morning FB, which is like a very exciting. I don't mind sharing with you guys. So it was like, okay, feeling for myself. I didn't complete my work. I'm lagging behind. Oh, you're being a school girl, Arpita. It's okay. It's not the school play, no? That you've not finished your work. What's right about that? And what fun can you have, like being that naughty kid, what you used to be when you never used to finish your home play in the school? So it's okay. Can you be an allowance of you? So today, 2, 3 things have been showing up. So I'll share with you guys because today is just an exercise which you actually. So I'll just talk about this exercise and then I'll talk about the other things. Hey Vijay, good morning. So it's about just relaxing and actually sensing deep within you, and in total allowance of you, where you have no judgment from anybody else's place and spaces, like who you be, what you should be, not should be, what if you can be what you are. And what if there are no excuses and because? And that's when the inner wisdom is. What does that look like in your world? Being that ease with yourself. What if you can be, allow yourself to be in that ease today of just howsoever you be. You being a bad girl, not done your home play, not done your work, being a bad parent, being a bad friend, being a bad partner, whatever you being, can you allow yourself to be bad today? And go into your inner wisdom and just relax. Let the world blast and you be you what you be. And can you just give those 5 minutes to yourself to be silent? And that's why I just put 5 minutes. It's not a big thing if you don't have 5 minutes for yourself and you want the world to have time for you. Sorry, guys. You have only God can help you. I don't think even God can help you then. So Arpita says, yes, I am in that school mode most of the time. Wow. So what do you so love about your school, Arpita? Hey, Prakhar, welcome. Good morning. Hello, Simran. Good morning. So yeah. So Arpita, wherever you being that child and you don't want to get out of that childlike energy, that's a choice you have to make. And what if you can make a different choice today? And also, what if you acknowledge that you actually feel happy being in sad? Do not come to my sad class today. Arpita, do anything, but don't come to my sad class. And I think, Arpita, you have been following my questions forever. I wonder how this mode, you're just holding it for what value. So show up in the evening, 8 p.m. Indian time, 8 to 8:15. I'm going to be on the Facebook Live every day, and that call is called Sad Call because it's stress, anxiety, and depression, which we love to keep to ourselves. Like Arpita right now is choosing to keep that mode and not acknowledging. What if sometimes we do keep that sadness just for the joy of it because we so love that sadness? And it's, as I earlier also said, what if it's not wrong to be sad? Good morning, Chavi. How are you, sweetheart? Awesome. So the home play, what I was doing, shit, I forget things, yeah. CRS. I was about to give you guys home play, another home play for today. Shit. This is how I be. I just forget things. So what else is right? Maybe that doesn't have to go to you, but yet it's also about what if you start acknowledging your patterns today and seeing that what is your constant pattern of crying, being sad, being into anxiety, depression, and upset, and what if you actually have a vow with yourself of today not to stay in that energy more than 10 seconds, and what you can make a different choice, distract yourself into something which is more fun for you in those 10 seconds. So what if you do that today and change it? Just a choice. So what choice can you make today that can create a difference in your life today? So that can be your question. What choice can I make here? What one action can I take here rather than cribbing about it, crying about it? And even if you love cribbing and crying, be an allowance of you to crib and cry about it. Just a choice, not a bad. And then enjoy your silence. It's a weekend. How much sex can you have with yourself in that silence? It's so much joyful. It's so much of relaxation. It's so much of ease. It's like I'm just saying it. I'm actually practicing while I'm talking to you guys, and it's OMG. It's like everything is melting in my head right now, and I do that very often. So I just gave you 5 minutes, and if that works for 5 minutes, what if you can actually keep practicing it throughout the day? Any other questions, guys? Actually, I wanted to give you some other home play, but I totally forgot. I just lost it on my. Any of you from the morning group here knows what did I say in the morning? I just wanted to gift it, but I forgot what it was. Home play of gratitude. No, it wasn't about gratitude. Shivangi. Okay, Shivangi is supposed to find the link in the bio to join the FB live from 8 to 8:15 Indian Standard Time for next 10 days around stress, anxiety, and depression. Chavi says, I'm feeling light now. Thank you so much. Awesome, Chavi. Arpita says, I feel that my core is silent. All this chatter is on the surface. Awesome. So when you see the chatter is on the surface, it's just a choice to see it and let it go. So what if you can actually just acknowledge that you're still silent, you're still graceful, you're still within yourself, and you're just choosing, and how much are you aware of people around you? So Ritu said, I missed it too. Yeah, it's okay. That's okay. Wonder what it is. Sudipta joined in. Hello, Sudipta. Intimidation? Was that? No, intimidation was not the thing I wanted to give. OMG, sorry. Receive and relax? No. Okay, but I'll give the receive and relax for now. Intimidation is not working. So, okay. But there was something else I shared in the morning FB today at 9. I think it doesn't want to go to you people. It's fine. So it's receive and relax is something that we are following anyways on this group too. So what if you can with everything keep asking yourself to receive and relax. Ask your barriers to go down, receive and relax. And in the face of crap, in the face of upset, anything you create in the whole day, ask yourself to receive it and relax. And just relax and just relax. Vijay says, forget that you have forgotten. Yes, Vijay, thank you for reminding me that. I think I'm like, maybe that's not required today, so it's okay. Thank you. Thanks, Vijay. That really makes sense for me. That really made me laugh. Thank you. Because I'm like, shit, how did I forget? But be an allowance of me forgetting. As you know, I always have the CRS, can't remember shit. All right, Alpita says, I simply don't want to do anything. I want to sleep. Go sleep. Who stops you from sleeping? I mean, do what you want to do. Why do you have to have reasons? Guys, why do you have to have reason for anything in life? What if everything you can do, choose because you can? So that's my this thing. Anybody ask me anything, why are you doing? I said, just because I can. So are you willing to be that can energy? That what if you don't have to give any because to yourself ever? Practice allowance for the weekend. Yes. Yes. Nah, Shivangi wo bhi nahi tha. It's forget it. Let it go. I think that was meant for only you guys. Maybe this allowance thing shows up later for themselves. So what? So I think practice this of what if you don't have a reasoning for anything today on this weekend. What if any and everything you want to do and choose and be is just because you can? And what if you don't have to give any answer to yourself of because? Why am I choosing this? What is it making me choose this and do this? And you just because you can. And all the reasons you have been giving so far into your life, which has been disrupting you, just let them flow out of your body. So practice allowance for the weekend, sure. Awesome. I think that's great and hope that helps. And play with this 5 minute thing of silence and let all the becauses of your life go away today. And let's see what shows up in your worlds. Please share if you want to share if it shows up. And what if you just can do anything because just you can? Because there's no reason to it, because you love it, because you just want to do it. Cool. Awesome. Have a beautiful weekend and hope to see you guys on the call in the evening. If none of you, please, anybody who is interested and who has going sadness thing going on, stress, anxiety, depression, please ask them to join that link and come and ask their questions. I'm happy to take anybody's questions, and that 15 minutes is all based on questions. So whosoever is going through this format and this corona thing, I'm happy to contribute. Thank you so much for being there, Aradhana. Awesome. Oh, Arpita, thank you for being here and receiving it from me. Awesome, Prakhar. Okay, Payal. Bye, Umesh. See you guys. See you guys in the evening. Please, 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 please share the links and see you in the evening. Because just we can. Yes, share just because you can, not because anything is required, just because you can. Awesome. Bye, guys. See you. If I see you in the evening on the Facebook Live, else I see you tomorrow at 11:11. Have a superb, rocking Saturday. Thank you, Simran. Bye-bye. Bye. Thanks, Vijay.